Last week, following Fed's decision to leave rates unchanged, the US dollar remains weak. Investors are not buying the US currency even after the announcement of a high probability of a further tightening. And this week, the financial markets will assess the decisions of the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee on Thursday, June 22. Stay tuned to the InstaForex TV channel to find out more about upcoming events in the global markets. After Wednesday's inflation report, which showed that the rate of consumer price inflation was not cooling down and remained at a high level of 8.7%, investors were sure that the Bank of England would decide to raise its key rate again as its meeting on Thursday. In addition, the central bank will likely continue monetary policy tightening and raise the interest rate more than once to slow down raging inflation. Such a forecast may support the pound sterling in the market. The data on the US labor market is a key indicator of how the Fed plans to move from a rhetoric to action. The latest employment reports, which show signs of overheating, once again support the need for a rate hike. However, the prevailing view among investors is that there will be a pause and even a possible reduction in the rate this year. This discourages US dollar buyers from opening new trades. We will see whether the fresh jobs data will change their mind. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's testimony may dispel investors' concerns. Most likely, Powell will once again remind traders that inflation is still unstable and far from the 2% target, forcing the regulator to increase the key rate. When it comes to fighting high inflation, Japan's central bank is in the spotlight. The regulator is supporting local industry and maintaining negative interest rates. This has allowed the Japanese monetary authorities to keep the economy growing and inflation low. On a Friday, the May report may show that inflation continues to slide down to the 2% target, and the report is expected to post 3.2%, still far from the target. However, the Bank of Japan is not making any sudden moves, preventing a recession and slowing down inflation. However, this is not good for the yen because traders are now only showing speculative interests, buying the currency with the higher interest rate rather than the one with the higher investment potential. The demand for the British currency is growing. The pound is trading near its yearly high against the US dollar, despite the fact that every macroeconomic report shows that the UK economy is weak. On a Friday, the market are awaiting the release of the retail sales data, and the indicator is expected to remain in the recessionary territory, which may cause the pound to make a short correction. On a Friday, markets will digest the reports by Market Economics, which define the trends in the major economies. Analysts expect disappointing data. Business activity continues to decline, and the industrial sector is in a deep recession. However, investors are likely to show no reaction to such news, as they are more concerned with the interest rates than with the state of the economy. How we're going to be in the short term in financial markets, we will definitely tell you in our news releases. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us, and see you soon!